Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Team PBLRKS 607 and we will be presenting the results of our project titled Penetration Testing 10. Our project manager is Mr. Antoni Haikal with the team leader Wedara Agustin. The members are Dinan Febrianti, Zulfadri Surya, Ilham Pratama, and Arthur Oktiandra Yulio. This slide describes our client's profile, PT Farandi Sagara Teknik, a company operating in the industrial solution sector. Their official website can be accessed at farandisagarateknik.com. This slide outlines the general scope of the project broken down into 4 main points. The first one is penetration testing was conducted on the company profile website belonging to PT Farandi Sagara Teknik. This testing was carried out legally and officially based on NDA and authorization from the client. The methodology we used is PTS, or Penetration Testing Execution Standard, combined with the OWASP testing. The ultimate goal is to identify existing security vulnerabilities and provide mitigation recommendations to improve the client's website security posture. This is the PTS methodology flow we used, illustrated as a flowchart. Start with the pre-engagement interactions or the initial agreement stage with the client, like scope, NDA, permissions, followed by the intelligence gathering, which is collecting information about the target. Then threat modeling is mapping potential threats based on the information gathered. Then vulnerability analysis, searching for specific security gaps. The analysis results determine the risk level. If the risk is significant enough, the flow proceeds to exploitation and then post-exploitation. All these stages ultimately lead to reporting, compiling the final report. This slide describes the outputs of the deliverable produced by this project. This slide describes the outputs for the project is final pen test report. The final report summarizing the entire testing process and results. Start with findings, proof of concept, CVSS, and remediation recommendation. This slide shows our project progress, which has reached 10% broken down into 7 stages that have all been completed.
Okay, thank you, Dara. Intelligent Catherine, Wapalizer and DNS. Wapalizer detect the technology used by the target website, and DNS host and the command check the domain DNS record. Okay, next, intelligent gathering AMAS and WAF. AMAS and passive MIMI perform passive subdomain and network infrastructure enumeration. WAF it check for a web application firewall. The next presentation by Ilham.
Webmaster brute force website directory, finding paths like about, contact, product. Nmap min is can open port found 421 FTP, port 80 and 443 HTTP and HTTPS, and port 3306 MySQL expose public. Next slide. Nikto scan for common web server weakness, found missing expert option and as content type option headers. Course testing with a fake origin show the police still needs review site is a low credential. The next slide will be presented by Zulfadri.
I will explain about exploitation. FTP anonymous login test. The output this finding is reject. Web30 login incorrect, and this finding is secure. And next is MySQL root access test without password, and the result is reject or access denied. The database is also secure despite the open port. Next finding is we check whether the .git folder was public exposed via pull request to /.git.head and /.git.config. The result is 403 forbidden. The directory is properly protected. Next exploitation, we test XSS and SQL injection on the contact form using script and SQL query payloads. Both were rejected by the system due to Kafka validation failure preventing further processing. And next, we'll explain by Arthur.
We tested exploitation, open redirect. We tested the next parameter to redirect to an external site. For example, is fl.com result the page still loaded the home page without redirecting, no open redirect vulnerability found. Next slide. Roles and responsibility. Wedara Agustin, as team leader, was involved in every stage. The other 4 members rotated as the coordinator, vulnerability assessment, and exploitation specialist. Documented and reporting were handled by Wedara and Dina. Next slide. Project constraint. Our main challenge, the target website only displayed a homepage with no login or business process, limiting the scope and preventing several testing scenarios from being carried out conversely. Next slide. Logbook. Our logbook record the entire progress from pre-engagement to reporting, reaching 100% completion by July 18, 2026, serving as documented proof our team works. Next slide. Closing. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention and we welcome any question.